This home is the ultimate combination of things. It is meticulously looked after in an ideal location with a superb floor plan, and you even get your own white picket fence. This is number 11 Boulter Street, Aspley. I'm Richard Parker. Come check it out. Personally, I absolutely love this home. It's perfect for local families and an absolute must-see. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next open home.